All right, so here's throwing a pot in real time. I start with a pre-wedged piece of clay. I measure it out, wedge it up, and I put them in a bag full of cylinders, and then I just reach down and grab them out of my bag here. Roll the bottom out so it's a little bit round, just so I don't get any air bubbles between this clay and this clay. And I'm gonna center, and I center real simply. I don't cone a lot, unless I've got like a snarky little air bubble in there or something that's giving me a hard time. I'm just kind of smoothing, here's what I'm doing, smoothing that clay into the wheel just so I don't push my pot off. Center a second time. Release your hands real slow when you're centering. Release the pressure slow. I put the hole in with my thumb. It's just more natural for me. And then I pull out with my thumbs moving towards my hands. There's a lot of different hand holds you can use. Do it however works best for you. Anyone that tells you there's one way to do it and one way only, run the other way. Do what works for you. All right, so I'm putting a little edge underneath my pot here, pulling up with my sponge on the outside, finger on the inside. First pull, pretty conservative. I usually go a little higher on my first pull, but you know, I'm making a video, so of course it's not gonna do what I want it to do. All right, repeat that. I'm reaching the right height there. I feel like this might be a little narrow. Yeah, I want to make it a little wider. And that's just so it matches the other 20 that I'm throwing. So there we go, it's a little wider. That's better. It's about 4 inches in width. I'm gonna scrape underneath the bottom edge for a foot, scrape it off. And then I'm gonna use this edge just to kind of tidy up the side. I'm not really shaping it or scraping it. I mean, it does get some stuff off there, but you know, it's pretty straight already. I just kind of want it to be a little cleaner. Take my little chamois. Always want to smooth the edge. Sometimes if I get a lot of gunk on there, sorry, you can't see that, I'll chamois twice for a nice tight edge there. And then around the bottom edge, one more time, just to clean it up. That guy. I've got a cutting wire I made out of fishing line with a twist. I don't know if that shows up. Cut while the wheel's moving. Dry your hands. Nice and evenly. Voila! 4-inch cylinder mug. Thanks for watching.